Hi, I'm Jess, the Tool and Gadget Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to check your car engine oil and also tell you a little bit about why it's important that you do. So, let's go. Signs of low or old oil include oil smells in the cabin,
Stinky,
a smokier than usual exhaust, engine overheating, but probably the biggest telltale is that there's unusual sounds coming from the engine.
And it's noisy.
Like rattling, tapping, clicking, clanking, clunking. And this can be because the old or low oil reduces the car's ability to lubricate the moving parts and the components, and it causes more friction and metal-to-metal contact. The engine is the heart of a car, so if you're having problems with it and you take too long to resolve it, it's going to cause a lot of other problems, and worst case scenario is total engine failure.
I heard his heart could blow up.
And don't know about you, but I don't have time or money to be having to deal with any of that, so prevention is definitely better than cure. So checking oil is easy to do. The first rule
Rule number one.
is to only check the oil when the engine's cool and on a flat surface. So under the hood, what you'll see something that has like a ring on the end of it, and that is called the dipstick.
Hey, that's really immature.
That's really immature.
So what you want to do is remove the dipstick, clean it, put it all the way back in.
The time! Who's got the time?
Then remove it again. So you'll notice that there's two dots on the dipstick. The top means the oil's full, the bottom means the oil's low. Rule number two
Rule number two.
is to check the colour of the oil. If the colour's light gold or amber coloured, it's good. You don't need to do anything.
Absolutely marvellous.
If it's dark brown, you should book in to change the oil in the near future. And if it's black, you need to change the oil ASAP because the oil's turned to sludge.
Poison sludge.
And that's it. Easy. Just remember, if you're ever having trouble with an item around the house, garage or garden, stay cool and use a tool/gadgets. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you.